Good day, Salibonani. Good day, Salibonani. My name is uSiziba, and you have tuned in to the program Asixoxeni Let's Talk with uSiziba. This broadcast is going to be an exciting podcast for you, and I hope you're going to be as excited about it as I am. I hope you're going to be as excited to come here and be a part of the conversations that we're going to be holding on this podcast as much as I will be. Injongo yami kule podcast ukuthi inike ithuba abantu bonke ukuthi kube le ndawo lapho baxoxa khona. Sixoxe nje ngendaba ezehlukeneyo, indaba ezimayelana lezombangazwe, issues to do with politics, issues to do with our social everyday lives. Any issues sizabe sizixoxa lapha. Singaqondanga ukukhuba umuntu without intent to offend or disrespect anybody, but with every intent to educate, to be educated, to entertain, to have a laugh. Ukuthi sikwejiseni sonke. So please, sign in, follow me, hit the likes. Let's create our family. This is the first day that we are doing this together, and I'm sure that we're going to have a long journey together. Muntu mangu esisazowuhamba. Asixoxeni. Let's talk with uSiziba. Welcome to my channel, and I will do my best to ensure that this channel rises up to be one of the best channels to come out of our community.